Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 38 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I have decided to speak on a new topic, and that is my favorite festival. So let's start. So there are many festivals that is celebrated in India. India is known for its diverse culture and traditions. But when it comes to my favorite festival, I choose Durga Puja. Durga Puja is one of the favorite festival of mine. When I was living in Dhanbad and I was child, I and whole family used to go to visit different temples in Saptami, Ashtami and Navami, that is main 3 days of Durga Puja. We used to go to Katras, we used to go to Buli, we used to go to near to our house. Used to go to Steel Gate, and there was used to be competition, and still today there is used to be competition that which pandal is best in Durga Puja. I really miss that, because and this was used to be in Jharkhand, but in Bihar there is different tradition, different culture. Here pandal is not built, here temple is built, and in temple we used to celebrate. So since 2015 I am living in Bihar, Madhubani, Bihar, and I used to go with my family, and in outside it happens that in Durga Puja only 3 days are made, but here in Madhubani, Bihar all 10 days are made. Durga Ma's face is revealed on Saptami only, but still we celebrate it on all 10 days. So here also I enjoy a lot, and here also it is my favorite festival, because in Mithila culture we used to do Mahadev, we used to make Mahadev, then we used to do Sanj, we used to do prayer at evening in Durga Mandir, and I and my siblings, that is my brother and sister, we used to go to temple, we used to worship there, and there are many rituals also, many other rituals also, like Khoch Bhadai and something that my mother used to do. My mother and whole family used to go there, so it's really fun here also. But I also miss my childhood memories that I used to live in Dhanbad, and there we used to do pandal hopping. But here also we are enjoying. Different regions have different culture. So same in Jharkhand there was different culture, and in Bihar there is different culture. But in Jharkhand there was only Durga Puja was celebrated only in 3 days, most important 3 days. But in Bihar it is celebrated 10 days where I live, that is in Madhubani, and good vibes, listening to good songs of Ma Durga, and listening to Bengali songs of Ma Durga. I like it very much during Durga Puja. Making Mahadev, then eating new sweets in Saptami or Ashtami, then wearing new clothes. So these things fascinates me, and there are many festivals, but still I like Durga Puja the most, because we have got 10 days to celebrate in Durga Puja. But in other festivals we get very less days, and in this festival my relatives also come here, that my other aunts also, my paternal aunt used to come here, so we celebrate it very nicely. We enjoy a lot, we used to have fun, we used to have sitting in evening at outside. So that's all for today video. So actually I was thinking what topic should I speak on today, so I thought that let's speak on favorite festival. So I speak on favorite festival. So that's all for today video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share. And if you wish that I should make another topic, you can suggest the topic which I should speak. And I am making this video only for my self improvement, that how my communication, and I always judge whether my communication skill is improving or not. From day 1 to day 38 today, it is day 38. So I am seeing that yes, there is a drastic change, because I'm living here in a village, and I have forgotten to communicate well with people. So I am trying my best to communicate well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.